Alright guys, today I'm doing a huge recipe for the Instant Pot. Okay, so I have potatoes here. I have, as you can see right there, I have green onions, okay, ground turkey. I have chicken vegetable broth, chickpeas, organic grill super greens, Swiss char, onions, and garlic. Okay, so, and I have some organic grass-fed stewing beef and some carrots. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking it all in the Instant Pot, and I'm going to be cooking it all together with all of this stuff in there. So stay tuned, guys. It's going to be a good recipe, and I'm hoping it actually turns out pretty good. I've never mixed beef with a little bit of ground turkey, so we'll see how that turns out. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to get it all prepped right now. Alright guys, so I got my stewing meat in there. I got the ground turkey ready to go, so I'm going to put it in as well. And then I'm going to season it. So I have my seasoning all done up right here. And so what that is basically fennel seeds, oregano, thyme, parsley, all of that pretty put into mulch. So I'll be right back. So I put in a whole onion, green onions as you can see there. Totally seasoned, and I'm just using the saute function on the Instant Pot right now, so I'm going to get a nice caramelization. I put the vegetable broth right in there. Okay, so as you can see, I put the vegetable broth right in there, and then I'm cooking a cook with that, and then I'm going to put in chickpeas. I'm going to put in all the Swiss char, and all that stuff goes in after this is all done, after like all of this meat is all cooked up. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alright, so the meat is all done here. As you can see, it's all brown. I'm going to I'm going to turn it off for the saute. And then I'm going to get my vegetables ready, my chickpeas, my Swiss char, all that stuff, my potatoes, and everything here, as you can see, are all ready to go. I put some carrots on the bottom there. There's garlic in there. So everything's pretty much ready to go. I'm going to get the Swiss char all washed up and prepared right now. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's ready to be cooked with the stew bun right there. As you can see, there's a meat stew bun. As you can see, there is the Swiss chars in there, the potatoes, the chickpeas are on the side. So I'm going to cook that up. I'm going to throw the rest of my chicken broth or vegetable broth in there, and then let it cook, and then I'll show you what it looks like and do a quick taste test afterwards. Stay tuned, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. But yeah, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so the stew is all done here. Take a look. You can see the potatoes, the meat right there. Oh, it's like falling off the bone. It's so soft. So let's do a quick taste test. See if it's flavored enough. There we go. Let's try the broth out. Wow, it's really good. It's got a lot of flavor. Yeah, it's got. You can taste the vegetables and everything else that go in with it. It smells really good. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.